If you've been searching for PrizeWild, StakeCrash, or PrizeDice, you're probably asking the same question. Are these platforms actually legit, or are they just another scam? Here's a quick review. First, it's important to know that these are online gaming and betting-style platforms. That means there's always financial risk involved. You should never expect guaranteed profits, no matter what anyone online claims. From what I found, there isn't strong evidence proving that PrizeWild, StakeCrash, or PrizeDice are outright scams. However, there also isn't enough long-term information to call them completely trustworthy either. That's why it's a good idea to be cautious. Before signing up, take a few minutes to research the platform. Read recent user reviews. Check how withdrawals work. Make sure the terms and conditions are clear. If a website promises easy money or guaranteed winnings, that's a major warning sign. If you decide to try any of these platforms, only deposit money you can afford to lose. Never chase losses, and don't rely on gambling as a way to make income. That's one of the biggest mistakes people make. Another thing to watch is customer support. A legitimate platform should provide clear contact information and respond to users when problems come up. If support is difficult to reach or ignores withdrawal issues, consider that a red flag. So, what's the final verdict? Based on the available information, PrizeWild, StakeCrash, and PrizeDice don't appear to be confirmed scams, but they also don't have enough of a track record to earn complete trust. The safest approach is to stay cautious, do your own research, and avoid risking more money than you're comfortable losing.